Hi friends, today I will show about the how to find the rank of 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4 matrix. Let me tell about some important points to find out the rank in easy way. First, we have 4 by 4 matrix here. We have to simplify the matrix first. Why? Because to minimize the consumption of time to solving this method. How? I will tell you. Here you show here 2468 here 4 rows, 4 columns. This in first row you observe one thing, it is 2468, it is divided by 2, it 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. So some cancellations here occur here. We have to simplify first. Take R1 gives row 1 divided by 2. Okay, second row it is sortable also 2, so R2 divided by 2. So third row we have zeros, fourth row we have zeros, and it is also divided by 2. Okay, R3 divided by 2, R4 divided by 2. So R1 divided by 2, that is R1 here, row 1 divided by 2, 2 by 2 equals to 1, 4 by 2 equals to 2, 6 by 2 3, 8 by 2 4, R2 8 divided by 2 4, 6 by 2 3, 4 by 2 2, 1, 0 0 0 divided by 2 0 0, 2 divided by 2 1, 4 divided by 2 2, 0 0 3 4. Okay, this is the final matrix we done here. So we use some operations to find out the real matrix. So R1 is okay. R2 we take R2 minus 4 R1. Why? Because we multiply with 4 R2 4 minus 4 into R1 4 minus 4 0. So we do the same operations throughout this R2. Why? Because to simplify the matrix, 1 2 3 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 4 2 is 8, 3 minus 8 minus 5, 2 minus 4 3 is 12, 2 minus 12, 2 minus 12 minus 10, 1 minus 4 4 is 16, 1 minus 16 minus 15, 0 0 1 2 0 0 3 4. Okay, here R2 divided by 5, this cancellation is here. So R2 gives us R2 divided by minus 5, minus is cancelled. So 1 2 3 4 0 5, R2 divided by minus 5, minus 5 by minus 5 plus 1, minus 10 by minus 5 plus 2, minus 15 by minus 5 plus 3, 0 0 1 2 0 0 3 4. So R1 having some values, R2 having some values, R3 having some values, R4 having some values. So we check it once in any further process is present. 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 2. So we check at fourth row, R4 gives R4 minus R3, 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 0 0 1 2 0 0 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 2 2, So we don't have any process to find out the answer. So 4 rows having some values, columns having some values, so rank is 4. Why? Because r1 having some values, r2 having some values, r3 having some values, r4 having some values. We don't have further process to cancel the rows. In fourth row is having some option, but it is not applicable to find to get the zeros. Why? Because 2 divided by 2 1, 2 divided by 2 1. So we don't to get zeros, we want zeros here, but we get some values here, so that is not correct. So final the answer is 4 rows having some values, so rank is 4. Rank is 4. So rank is denoted by row, so this is the correct answer.